Whatever we have photographs, so we have to keep them in front of us every day.
Not now, not now. I'll let you know what you have to do. Okay?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, I'll let you know, Akshita. Keep it with you only now. So today is day 3. Welcome to day number 3, magical relationships. Okay, so what do you see on the screen? What do you see on the screen?
Photograph, photograph
Yes.
of
Some
children,
photographs are there, right? And some
mm,
fruits are there, table
family
is
members.
there, notebook is there, pen is there. So what we have to do with the pen and paper, so you better know. We have to write the gratitude, okay, for a beautiful relationship. So today we will write the gratitude for them so that we can make our relationship magical. Okay, we can transform our relationship. So Jug is there, so many things are there, but there are some beautiful photographs we can see, right? And some magic is happening. Okay, some magic is happening on this, on these beautiful pictures. So that kind of magic we also have to make today in our relationships. Okay, so let me begin. Imagine if you were the only person on the planet Earth. So you would have no desire to do anything. What would be the point in creating a painting if no one could see it? What would be the point in composing music if no one could hear it? What would be the point in inventing anything if there was no one to use it? There would be no reason to move from one place to another because wherever you went would be the same as where you were. No one would be there. There would be no pleasure, no joy in your life. So, see, if you are all alone on this planet Earth, so you would not be going anywhere. Nobody would be coming to you. There would be no point because of creating the painting because no one could see, no music, nobody could hear. Okay, so nobody would be inventing anything because there will not be any person to use all those inventions, right? So there would be no place to go because everywhere, wherever you will go, it will be same only. So it's your contact and experiences with other people that give your life joy, meaning, and purpose. Because of that, your relationships affect your life more than anything else. To receive the life of your dreams, it's vital that you understand how your relationships affect your life now and how they are the most powerful channels for gratitude to start magically changing your life. So they are the channels for gratitude. Like I am the channel, okay, for you to learn gratitude. Okay, so I am the channel only, right? So similarly, are all the relationships are the channels only. Because of them, we need to learn something. We are supposed to learn certain lessons. So that's where the people are there. A certain set of people are there in our life because we need to learn something from them, and they also need to learn something from us. Okay, so that's why the people are there in our life. They people are the channels. So as I told you, like disguised angel, why the people are there in our life? Those who have certain kind of issues. So why do we have those people? Some of them. Why? Because they people are the
Yeah.
channel to make us learn something. Because we need to learn certain lessons through them. Otherwise, we would not be able to learn. Through them, we need to learn. So they are our angels, right? And our in-laws, जिनके बारे में हम भर भर के because of him, because of her, she always does this to me, he always does this to me. We always blame, complain, criticize. But the people are our angels. Because of them, we are growing. We are thinking of growing. We want to do something in our life because of them only. It's not only negative, positive as well. The people are supporting us. The people love when we grow, when we win. So they also win with us. When we lose, so they also feel like they also have lost something, isn't it? So when our kids win something or get some award, so the people are they feel like telling to us, okay, कोई मम्मा को बताना है, मम्मा को बताना है, मम्मा को बताना है, पापा को बताना है, पापा को बताना है, let me reach home, let me reach home, so I'll be giving this beautiful news to my mom, so we will celebrate together, we will order something together, we will cut the cake, so we will celebrate our wins. If there is no one with whom we will be celebrating, बर्थडे हो गया, बर्थडे किसके साथ सेलिब्रेट करोगे? वी फील सो हैप्पी. And those people who are not so good in our life, so we feel that they are not so good in our life. So but sometimes If good people are not there na, so they people also like in our life, at least they people are there in our life. So we will feel like they people are there in our life. Maybe toxic is like, but at least the people are there. You know, for some
मैम
of us, yeah, for some of us, those who have, yeah, Ishita, you are telling something?
फिर हर बार क्या लोगों को मैं माफ करती फिरूं? हर बार की वो लोग आए रैंडम सिर्फ आए बस इंसल्ट करते चले जाए और मैं माफ करती फिरूं हर बार? इज इट
माफ
पॉसिबल?
करती रहूं? Okay, let me tell you. Let me tell you. So, if you want to make the relationship beautiful with somebody, if you start being grateful, so magically you will see your relationship will become beautiful. So, right now, if you are thinking that relationship is not so good, if you want to make the relationship so like working, or you want to make it beautiful, so what will you have to do? So, you will have to start writing gratitude. So, automatically it will happen. So, when my relationships were not so good, with my in-laws or with my husband initially, okay, so what did I do? What did I do in last few years? So I just wrote the gratitude. I didn't go to them. I just started finding good things about them and started writing good things about them. Something to good they also will be having na, kuch to unme acha hoga na, something to they would be doing good. So how did I start writing? About my in-laws, how did I start writing? So with my mother-in-law, when it was not so good, so I started writing like I'm so grateful for my mother-in-law, because she loves my husband a lot. So do we have one reason to be grateful for? Do we have one single reason to be grateful for? She is very good at cooking, and whenever we used to go at weekend at her place, so she used to make beautiful parathas, because we all are Punjabi. So weekend पे हमारे घर कभी मूली का पराठा, कभी आलू का पराठा, मेथी का, धनिया का पराठा, she used to make. अभी भी, अभी तो शी इज नियर अबाउट 75, अभी भी उनको होता है कि मैं बनाऊं, बट राइट नाउ शी इज नॉट इन दैट, नहीं इनसे हो पाता है इतना, बट स्टिल शी फील्स लाइक कि मुझे करना है, बच्चे आए हैं, मुझे करना है, right? So I started writing just gratitude. She is so good at cooking. My kids love her cooking. So your reason, you need to find out the reasons. So she welcomes us wholeheartedly. वो वेलकम करती हैं अच्छे से. तो I started writing. I started finding out the ways. How can I make the beautiful relationship with her? एंड विद हस्बैंड, अभी वही हस्बैंड है जिनको एक जो व्हाइट कलर का हैंकी होता था ना, उनको पूरा व्हाइट चाहिए होता था, पूरा व्हाइट, उस पे जो टॉवल पे एक भी क्रीज होती थी ना, ही वुड बी सो एंग्री एट मी इनिशियली व्हेन आई गॉट मैरिड. सो अभी नाउ ही इज द सेम पर्सन. अभी क्या, अभी तो काला पीला नीला कोई भी हैंकी दे दो, ही डजंट हैव एनी इश्यू विद एनीथिंग. सो व्हाट चेंज्ड? आई चेंज्ड. So with I changed, so everything around me started to change, because aura change, vibration change, frequency change. So similarly, you can also make your relationships beautiful with whom you are thinking, okay, so that is not so good. So this is the only way. Gratitude is the only way without doing much. So this to everybody can do. Whenever you get some time, you just sit with pen and paper. Whenever you get time, you don't have to do a lot many things. कुछ नहीं करना आपको. You just have to be grateful. This is so magical. 10, 15, 20, 50, 100. मतलब you just sit with pen and paper. यार इतना डिफिकल्ट है क्या? But some of us, that is also very difficult. And the logical mind will take over. Your logical mind will take over कि यार how like it can be so magical, कि writing से how can we change the relationship, but this is that magical. Your logical mind will say no, you will have to do a lot many things, then only you will have that particular thing. No, I was also like that earlier. You will have to do hundred and thousand of things to make me happy. लाइक इतना ईगो हाई था, इतना ईगो हाई था. When you start feeling gratitude, when you start feeling, like you have to be grateful. I'm grateful for small small things. So पहले छोटी छोटी चीजों के लिए ग्रेटफुल होना स्टार्ट करो. लाइक जैसे वो ट्री होता है ना, ट्री. अभी ट्री की उस पे रूट पे काम मत करो. अभी अभी छोटे छोटे पहले पहले उसकी लीव्स पे काम करो. अभी पहले लीव्स पे काम करो. Then started working on branches, and then start working on the roots and trunk. So that is a different concept. वो वरी का कॉन्सेप्ट है. वरी को हमने इतना वरी को कर करके वो पूरा इतना बड़ा उसको ट्री बना दिया. बट अभी हम वरी को कैसे खत्म कर सकते हैं? वरी को पहले छोटी
बरगद
छोटी जो
वाला
चीजें है ना,
पेड़।
उसके लिए सोचना बंद करना पड़ेगा. बड़ी प्रॉब्लम कैसे खत्म होगी? पहले छोटी छोटी चीजों के लिए वी विल हैव टू स्टार्ट बीइंग पॉजिटिव. Right? So, in this way, we can make our relationships magical. So, start being grateful, start writing. Okay? So, try to figure it out. Try to find out the ways how you can make your relationship beautiful. Try to find out the reasons. So, what that person has, कि जिसके लिए हम we can be grateful.
It works, ma'am.
Yes, Sunny?
Helps me. Last time I tried, ma'am. You said na, so it works, Ishita. Really, actually, we start seeing good things. Before that, we always blaming.
Yes.
Yes.
Because when we are blaming, complaining, criticizing, judging, so we are victim.
Yes.
But when we take the charge of our own life, okay, so when we stop blaming, complaining, criticizing, when we take the charge of our life, when we take the 100% responsibility of our actions, our emotions, because this is something very easy to do. To work on somebody else is very difficult.
Yes.
Very difficult. But we find it easy to change anybody. Because we find that to work on us is very difficult, to work on them is very easy.
Yes.
But if it is very difficult for us to change, so it is difficult for them as well to change. So better we work on ourselves.
Yes.
If we can't change ourselves, so how can we expect others to bring the change in themselves? अगर हम अपने आप में चेंज नहीं ला सकते तो कैसे यार हम एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं कि वो कैसे अपने आप को चेंज कर सकता है? Because people mirror, they are also like us, right? So take charge of your life. Don't be the victim, be the victor. Victim to victor, write it down. Victim to victor. If you are victim, that means you are not taking the responsibility. You are just blaming, complaining, criticizing, judging, and giving the excuses because of him, because of her. He is like this, she is like this. But if you take the charge of your life, you become the victor. Victor होगा ना, you take the charge. Otherwise, you will be like auto में फंसे हुए लिफाफे. Okay, so wherever the auto is going, so you are also moving with that auto. And for some of us, who is driving the auto? Husband is driving the auto, mother-in-law is driving the auto, okay, and sister-in-law is driving the auto, okay, kids are driving the auto, and for some of us, maid is driving the auto. Maid, okay, maid nahi aayi to we are like, मुंह फुलाओ द सारा दिन. Okay, कितना काम करना पड़ गया. So that means like we are the puppets. They are just pressing the button and we are just dancing on their tune. Okay, so don't be the lifafa, be the victor. Okay, to take charge, be the driver of your life, be the pilot of your life. Okay, so the next is science is now confirming the wisdom of the great sages of the past, with research studies showing that people who practice gratitude have closer relationships, are more connected to family and friends, and have other people look upon them favorably. See, अब तो science ने भी prove कर दिया. There are many researches, studies. They also say that if we practice gratitude, so their relationships are so beautiful. They are more connected to like their family and friends. But probably the most astounding statistic that has come out of the research studies is that for every one complaint about another person, whether in thought or word, there have to be 10 blessings for the relationship to flourish. अगर आपने एक कंप्लेन कर दिया है, you will have to write 10 blessings, 10 gratitude for that person. For one complaint, 10 gratitude. For one complaint, 10 gratitude. Otherwise, your relationship will become weak. If you want your relationship to flourish, don't complain. Don't complain. So if you complain once, so you will have to write 10 gratitude for that particular person. So better we don't complain. No? Any less than 10 blessings for every one complaint and the relationship will deteriorate. अगर एक कंप्लेन करी and you don't write 10 blessings, you don't be grateful and you don't write 10 gratitude for that person for one complaint, your relationship will deteriorate. And if the relationship is a marriage, it will most likely end in divorce. So better you don't complain. I'm not saying, Rhonda Byrne is saying, so this is that powerful. So don't complain. Gratitude makes relationships flourish. Okay, gratitude makes relationship flourish. As you increase your gratitude for any relationship, you will magically receive an abundance of happiness and good things in that relationship. And gratitude for your relationships doesn't change only your relationships, it also changes you, because you change. When you start being grateful, when you start gratitude, so you change. If you change, everything around you changes. Because when you start appreciating the things, what you appreciate starts appreciating in your life. What you appreciate appreciates in your life. जैसे लव को अप्रिशिएट करोगे, रिस्पेक्ट को अप्रिशिएट करोगे, तो that will also increase in your life. So whatever you want to increase in your life, start appreciating small things. जैसे husband is going office and if he says okay Poonam bye I'm going, so wow यार he's so amazing, क्या यार bye करके जा रहे हैं, wow you're so amazing. You just need to figure out like how you can be grateful. wow यार आज मेरा सेशन था यार, चाय बना के ले आए. The person वो जिसको हैंकी पे वो क्रीज से भी कितना प्रॉब्लम था, that person is making tea when I'm taking the session. I'm so blessed, I'm so grateful. How did he change? Because when you change, everything around you starts to change. So gratitude is that powerful. This is so magical. If you want to change all your relationships around you, so the work is on you. You just be grateful. And keep your ego aside. Does it work? Or keep your logical mind also aside. Because logical mind will not let you work. वो नहीं बोलने देगा. तो ईगो विल ऑलवेज टेक ओवर. ईगो विल से यार ऐसे कैसे मैं माफी मांगू, हाउ कैन यू बी सॉरी. तो गलती तो उसकी है ना. What is forgiveness? The forgiveness is not for others. Forgiveness is for us. Forgiveness is for us. And I was like, oh my God, यार क्या मैं बंदी थी यार. मैं जब याद आता है ना कि 6 साल पहले what I was, कि क्या ईगो इतनी आई थी यार, उसको कैसे माफ कर दूं मैं कैसे बोल दूं, मैं ऐसा कैसे वैसे कैसे, टिट फॉर टैट, ऐसी की तैसी, तेरी हिम्मत कैसे हुई. लाइक दैट. How could you? How would you? So
Ma'am,
I
but
started.
initially I was a person like who easily say sorry to everyone. But the people, they don't value our sorry. So I stopped saying sorry.
So not my monkey, not my circus. Nothing has a meaning until you give it a meaning.
Yes.
उसको अपने दिमाग में इतना बड़ा तुमने वो बुर्ज खलीफा जितना स्पेस क्यों दे रखा है? क्यों उसको इतना स्पेस दे रखा है? Yeah, you are the heroine of your life.
We
And
give
if
too
you
much
are giving them the
importance to
Burj
others.
Khalifa जितना वो उसको स्पेस अपने घर में, so who is the hero? They are the hero and heroines. सो
Yes.
आपको आपको काम कम है क्या और करने के लिए? अपने कोचिंग के बिजनेस को आगे बढ़ाओ।
Yes.
नहीं नहीं मैम, अभी की
राइट।
बात नहीं कर रही हूँ। आई एम जस्ट टॉकिंग, यू नो, अर्लियर आई वाज थिंकिंग अ लॉट, बट नाउअडेज आई डोंट हैव टाइम।
हम्म। So say, not my monkey, not my circle. Let me do my work. I have a lot of work to do. Let me grow. Let me learn. Right? So, where I was, no matter what your temperament is now, gratitude will give you more patience, understanding, compassion, and kindness. So please note it down, this line, this line. So you can underline this line. This is beautiful. No matter what your temperament is now, gratitude will give you more patience, more understanding, more compassion, and kindness. To the point where you won't even recognize yourself. You won't even recognize yourself. खुद को नहीं पहचानोगे कि यार मैं क्या थी और मैं क्या बनी और मैं कैसे हो कैसे गई यार. I never thought कि भी मैं मेरा ईगो कैसे कम हो जाएगा and I'll be like being grateful. How is it possible? But I changed. The little irritations you once felt and the complaints you had in your relationships will disappear because when you are truly grateful for another person, there is nothing you want to change about that person. You will start accepting that person. So we also want to be accepted, na? Don't we do like that? Don't we want? Don't we like want like that? कि we also want the same thing, ना? कि we want to be accepted by everyone. हम सोचते कि यार like I have good inside me, I have bad inside me. I am good as well, I am bad as well, I am ugly as well. I have good inside me, I have bad inside me. Am I 10 on 10? No, na. So nobody is 10 on 10. So if we want to be accepted by others, so we also have to accept others the way they are. Guys, awareness is the first step to change. If you really want to change yourself, so start accepting people, start accepting situations, start accepting the things as they are. Don't try to change. So to whom we can change our own self only. So don't try to don't take out your kit every time. Toolkit, give it to me. Toolkit तो अभी मुझे दे दो. We don't have to fix anyone. The work is on us only. Because when you are truly grateful for another person, there is nothing you want to change about that person. अभी तो I don't have to change anybody because they are automatically changing ना. If you change yourself, everything around you will start to change. The people, the situation, you will attract only positive people. You will attract only positive situation. You will attract only positive things. If you change yourself, the universe will conspire everything to make it happen for you. Because whatever belongs to you is not going to leave you. Whatever belongs to you, वो कहीं से घूम के फिर के वो आपके पास आएगा ही आएगा. Whatever belongs to you, that is going nowhere. It will be coming to you. It will be coming to you. कहीं से भी होकर आएगा. Whatever belongs to you, that will always come to you. So don't take too much tension. We are the chosen one. We are the universe's favorite child. And whenever if we feel like stuck, if we feel like we have small problems, so problems are good, problems are opportunities. If we will not be having problems, then we will not be growing. अगर प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं होंगे तो हमारी ग्रोथ भी नहीं होगी. बट it is we people, like we are making the problems like suffering. प्रॉब्लम्स को हमने इतना सोच के वी आर थिंकिंग एंड थिंकिंग एंड थिंकिंग एंड थिंकिंग एंड थिंकिंग. अभी हमने प्रॉब्लम्स को अपना इतना सफरिंग बना दिया है सोच के. नाउ प्रॉब्लम इज नो मोर अ प्रॉब्लम. नाउ प्रॉब्लम इज द पैटर्न. नाउ प्रॉब्लम इज नॉट द प्रॉब्लम, पैटर्न इज द प्रॉब्लम. अब इतना उसको प्रॉब्लम को हमने सफरिंग क्रिएट कर दिया है उसका. अभी प्रॉब्लम को दूर करें कि पैटर्न को? किसको सॉल्व करना इजी है, पैटर्न को या प्रॉब्लम को? प्रॉब्लम को, बिकॉज प्रॉब्लम इज स्मॉल. बस इफ वी आर थिंकिंग इट बिग, अभी उसको इतना स्पेस दे दिया हमने अपने माइंड में, तो इट वुड बी डिफिकल्ट टू सॉल्व ना. सो आइसोलेट योर प्रॉब्लम, कीप इट स्मॉल. Don't make it big. Don't exaggerate your problems in front of anybody. Whenever I used to go to kitty parties. So now if I remember, now if I can recall, those kitty parties were not kitty parties. Those were pity parties. तू मेरी सुन, तेरी सास ऐसी, तू मेरी सुन, मेरी कैसी, मैं सुनाती हूँ तेरे को, तेरी तो कुछ भी नहीं. Those people who had a lot of pain, a lot of sufferings, those were the winners of that kitty party. ओके यार, तेरा तो बहुत बुरा हाल है, तू तो विनर है, पिटी पार्टी की विनर. But those people who have a lot of problems to discuss, that means that person has to learn a lot of lessons. जिसकी जितनी बड़ी प्रॉब्लम्स, उसके उतने बड़े लेसन्स लर्न करना. एंड वी पीपल आर बीइंग सो प्राउड कि यार देखो, मेरी लाइफ में तो ये भी सही नहीं चल रहा, वे भी सही नहीं चल रहा, ये भी नहीं सही चल रहा. व्हेन वी आर ब्रिंगिंग एनीबडी डाउन एंड वी आर ब्रिंगिंग आवर ओन सेल्फ अप, सो व्हाट आर वी डूइंग? अगर किसी को नीचे लेके जा रहे हो, इन लॉज को, इसको उसको, तो हु इज गोइंग अप? आर यू गोइंग अप? आर यू गोइंग अप? किस में ऊपर जा रहे हो? वो ईगो में ऊपर जा रहे हो, प्राउड में ऊपर जा रहे हो. सो दैट मीन्स अभी ऊपर जा रहे हो तो यू नीड टू लर्न मोर लेसन देन दिस पर्सन. इसको तो कम लर्न करना है, इसको ज्यादा लर्न करना है. You are thinking that you are going up, but you are not going up, you are going down.
मैम, ये सब समझने को लेडीज को ही ज्यादा क्यों जरूरत पड़ती है? वो इमोशनल एस्ट्रोजन के चक्कर में पड़ती है, आदमी को क्यों नहीं समझना है? जब कोई
क्यों
सेशन
क्यों
में
नहीं
कोई
समझना?
जेंट्स
उनको
क्यों
भी
नहीं है?
समझना है. So did they
तो वो
enroll in my
एफर्ट्स नहीं
program?
करते हैं,
It's not like that. Did they enroll? They didn't
वो
enroll.
नहीं
If they would
करेंगे.
have enrolled, I would have taught them as well. Because
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is for
Gents
But
everyone.
only.
ma'am,
Yes,
after
yes, ma'am.
but ma'am, after marriage now, all sufferings for women only.
See guys,
Because
men
judge तो
and
women
women,
को ही किया जाता है.
men and women are different. They are different. उसको जितना जल्दी एक्सेप्ट कर लोगे, that is good for us. That is good for us. Women are more emotional. Women are more emotional. So this is, we need to accept. If you don't accept it, you will only create the suffering in your life. Because men operate differently, women operate differently. So that is the truth of the life. They are not same. Yeah, now we are like वो फेमिनिज्म का झंडा नहीं, हम सेम सेम सेम, विमेन और मेन वो लाइक वो कंधे से
मैम
कंधा
बट
मिलाकर, या
इससे भी
दैट इज
ज्यादा
देयर,
और एक
दैट
बात,
इज देयर, दैट इज देयर, बट दे आर
मैम
डिफरेंट.
इससे भी ज्यादा और एक भी बात है ना कि सब लोग जानते हैं कि किसको ज्यादा अच्छी तरह से किया जा सकता है, राइट? कि हाँ, मतलब मैं अगर यहाँ पे हूँ तो मेरा हस्बैंड को कोई नहीं बोलेगा कि वो कॉल नहीं करता, बट मुझे बोलेगा. बट उसको बोलना चाहिए ना, दे उसका ब्रदर है, सिस्टर है, उसको बोलो. बट मुझे क्यों बोला जाएगा? सो यही.
Because see, that is coming from the very beginning, from past experiences, childhood conditioning. It has been happening. So we haven't created the system. They people, our ancestors, they people have created the system. Like men are the provider, women are the nurturers. If they have created, so it will take time, na? It will take time. राइट. सो वट एवर इज हैपनिंग अराउंड अस, लाइक जो भी हस्बैंड वाइफ के बीच में जो भी लाइक समथिंग इज हैपनिंग, सो दैट दे पीपल हैव क्रिएटेड आवर एंसेस्टर्स, और उससे भी पहले बिकॉज दे ऑल्सो वर नॉट अवेयर ऑफ दैट, राइट. सो दे वर ऑल्सो विक्टिम्स ऑफ विक्टिम्स. सो वी स्टार्टेड फॉलोइंग द सिस्टम. सो राइट नाउ ऑल्सो, बट yes, slowly gradually, like, but right now तो we people are so blessed. वी पीपल आर सो ब्लेस्ड. हमने कितना अच्छा, मतलब कितना चेंज देखा, एंड वी आर लिविंग आवर ड्रीम लाइफ,
Yes.
राइट. तो वो अपनी ही फैमिली में बोलेंगे ना, जितने जैसे आप कंफर्टेबल हो, बिकॉज यू हैव लिव्ड योर लाइफ विद योर पेरेंट्स फॉर 20 years, more than 20 years, right? So you are more comfortable with them. Similarly, they are also more comfortable with them. So जितने भी साल अभी आप उनके साथ रह लो, वो 20, 21, 25 years, तो फिर भी वो ज्यादा ही रहेंगे उनके साथ. इजंट इट? और उसमें प्रॉब्लम भी क्या है? व्हाट्स द प्रॉब्लम इन दैट?
मैम
सो इट इज
नाउअडेज जो
आर ईगो, इट इज आर ईगो
हाँ
कि यार मैं अपना पूरा घर छोड़ के आई वो सबके लिए, मैंने
हाँ
ये छोड़ा, मैंने ये छोड़ा, तो वो उसको पूरा वो मेरा सुनना चाहिए। अरे यार वो छोड़ दो, छोड़ दो। ये बहुत मिनिस्क्यूल थिंग्स, अब तो ये सब कुछ लगता भी नहीं है।
कैसे एक हस्बैंड मीन्स अपनी सारी जितनी अर्निंग होती है ना अपनी वाइफ के आगे रख देता है। एज पर द
हम्म।
एग्जाम्पल मेरे हस्बैंड बहुत बार बोलते हैं कि आई एम अर्निंग, बट स्टिल कोई भी उनको अपनी मनी के रिलेटेड कोई भी डिसीजन लेना हो, ही जस्ट रिलाई ऑन मी कि
हम्म।
ऐसा कर ले, ऐसा कर ले, ये ठीक रहेगा। कोई प्रॉपर्टी लेनी हो या मीन्स अल्टीमेटली दे आर यू नो, वो इतनी बड़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हमें दे रहे हैं। सो आई थिंक
हम्म।
वी शुड बी वेरी ग्रेटफुल, इवन दो हमने घर छोड़ा है, ये वो हम एक और घर की आगे रानी बन गए हैं। सो वी शुड बी वेरी
हम्म।
ग्रेटफुल मीन्स कि उनकी
यस।
खुद की मनी को वो खुद नहीं डिसाइड कर पा रहे हैं कि उनको
अरे
कहाँ
ये
पे
तो
इन्वेस्ट।
हमारे हाथ पे रख रहे हैं। ओके,
राइट।
अगर वो मदर इन लॉ के भी हाथ पे रखते हैं तब भी
हम्म।
देर इज नो इशू ना। क्या हो गया,
हम्म।
मम्मी ही तो है ना, मम्मी ही तो है, क्या हो गया?
ट्रू।
But we women are, we are so attached to the role. We have nothing to do with the task. Let's say a husband ने cheating किया. Okay, so everybody would be suggesting you छोड़ दे. Okay, so let's say अगर आपका बेटा cheating कर रहा है, would you be leaving your son? क्या आप छोड़ सकते हो? Can you leave your son? So will you listen to somebody if that person is suggesting you leave your son? क्या आप छोड़ दोगे अपने बेटे को? नहीं, no. सो वी आर सो अटैच टू द रोल, हस्बैंड को छोड़ देंगे, बेटे को नहीं छोड़ेंगे। वाई? बिकॉज रोल, वो हस्बैंड है, वो बेटा है। तो हम ही अपने बेटे को नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए, उनकी मम्मी को, उनके बेटे को, और वाइफ को एक हस्बैंड को छोड़ देना चाहिए। वाई? बिकॉज वी आर नॉट लुकिंग एट द टास्क। और दोनों केस में चीटिंग तो सेम है ना, या हस्बैंड ने किया या बेटे ने किया, राइट? बट वी आर लुकिंग एट द रोल कि वो हस्बैंड चीटिंग नहीं कर सकता, बेटा चीटिंग कर सकता है। व्हाट इज दिस? Okay, so these things are like too deep. Okay, guys, it's already 10. We have to do practice as well. अभी तो वो फोटो वोटो हमने स्टार्ट भी नहीं किया। Right? Okay, so I'll be reading a little faster now. So, where I was, you want criticize, complain about, blame them because you are too busy in being grateful for the good things about them. So now we have to be busy being grateful for the good things about them. In fact, you won't even be able to see the things you used to complain about. So when you are busy in being grateful, so you will not be thinking about and you will not be complaining anything about them, right? Because you are busy in being grateful. So either you could be busy in being grateful or you could be busy in doing the complaints and blames. So you cannot do both the things together. We can only be said to be alive in those moments when our hearts are conscious of our treasures. See, this is so beautiful. We can only be said to be alive in those moments when our hearts are conscious of our treasure. Treasures means when we are like so blessed, when we are
Yeah.
thinking of only blessings and we are being grateful. So those are the only moments when we are alive. Otherwise, so we are dead. Rest of the time when we are negative and when we are not growing, we are not learning, when we are not living our life, so that means we are dead now. We are dead. So what are the treasures? What are the treasures? When in those moments when we are grateful, in those moments when we are grateful, so that is only said to be alive. Only on those moments we are alive. Otherwise, though, they are that is the true treasure for us. Words are very powerful. So they can break us and they can make us. So when you complain about any person, you actually harm your life. It is your life that will suffer. By the law of attraction, whatever you think or say about another person, you bring to you. This is the very reason why the greatest minds and teachers of the world have told us to be grateful. They knew that for you to receive more in your life, for your life to magically increase, you have to be grateful for others just as they are. What if every person close to you said, I love you just the way you are? How would you feel? See, how would you feel when if somebody says that person who is close to you, I love you just the way you are? So we would love to listen to that. And we would love to hear to that. I love you, Poonam, just the way you are. I love you, Ashwini, the way you are. I love you, Funny, the way you are. So we would be so happy if somebody says. So they people also will be expecting now from us that we should also say to if we are feeling so happy, if somebody would be saying us, so we would be so happy. So can't we say the same statement to others? I love you just the way you are. अपने हस्बैंड को, अपने इन-लॉज को, अपने बच्चों को, अपने लव्ड वंस को, अपने रिलेटिव्स को, अपने फ्रेंड्स को, एक्सेप्ट देम, लव देम जस्ट द वे दे आर. Today's magical practice is being grateful for people just as they are. Even if all of your relationships are currently good, they will increase with more magnificence through this practice. Okay, so whether they are good, although they are good, but it will be more beautiful. And with everything you find to be grateful for in each person, you will see gratitude perform its breathtaking magic, and your relationships will be stronger, more fulfilling, and more enriching than you ever thought they could be. Okay, so if you start doing these practices, so your all the relationships will be stronger, fulfilling, and enriching. So now what we have to do, we have to choose 3 of your closest relationships to be grateful for. Okay, so we all are ready with the 3 picks. So you might choose your wife, your son, your father, your boyfriend, your business partner, your sister. You might choose your best friend, your grandmother, your uncle. You can choose any 3 relationships that are important to you. As long as you have a photograph of each person, the photograph can be just of the person or both of you together. No group photo, no group photo. Either you or like either that person or you with that person. No group photo. So we need 3 pics. Once you have selected your 3 relationships and photographs, you are ready to set the magic into motion. So now we are ready to, set the magic. Sit down and think about the things you are the most grateful for about each person. What are the things you love the most about this person? So how we will be doing? So we will look at first person. So we will write the 5 good things about that person. Okay, so when we will start practicing, so how we will be doing today's practice? So we will look at the person into the eyes of that person. So we will be writing 5 gratitude for one per first person, then second person, and then third person. So what are the things you love the most about this person? What are their best qualities? You could be grateful for their patience, ability to listen, talents, strength, good judgment, wisdom, laugh, sense of humor, eyes, smile or kind heart. So these are the qualities. So you have to see for yourself कि मतलब कौन सी उनमें qualities हैं. So these are some ideas. So you could be grateful for the things you enjoy doing with the person, or you can recall a time when the person was there for you, cared for or supported you. When women after marriage, when we were pregnant, throughout the day, like the people were with us when we were going through a lot of pain that time. So the people cared for us, the people supported us, isn't it? So we people are so blessed. So we can think of any time. And those who are unmarried, so like when we won any kind of prize or award, and they people our parents were always with us, always with us. They are dropping us, they are picking up from the school wherever we want to go. So they are always with us in our thick and thin. So after you have spent some time thinking about what you are grateful for about the person, put their photograph in front of you, and with a pen and notebook or on your computer, choose the 5 things you are most grateful for. Look at the photograph of the person as you make your list of the 5 things. Begin each sentence with the magic words, thank you. So how we have to start writing? So this is the statement, how we have to write. Address the person by their name and then write what you are grateful for. So for example, thank you, and after that their name. Okay, thank you, after that the name of the person for dash. Like I can write, thank you Tanya for making the tea for me when I was taking the session. Okay, so I'm taking the name of my daughter. Thank you Tanya for making the tea when I was taking the session. So in this way you have to write. For example, thank you John for always making me laugh. Thank you for your patience. So you have to take the name of that person, then you have to write down the reason why you are grateful. Or thank you mom for supporting me through college. So when you have finished your list for all three people, continue with this magical practice by taking the photographs with you today and putting them in a place where you will see them often. Whenever you look at the photographs today, thank the person by saying the magic words thank you and the person's name. Thank you, Hele. Hele is the name of the Rhonda Byrne's daughter. So if you are moving around a lot, carry the photograph with you in your bag or your pocket and make an effort to look at the photograph 3 times during the day, following the same procedure. Okay, so you have to place these 3 photographs somewhere in your pocket. If you are moving here and there or anywhere, you can keep these photographs. And on 3 different occasions during the day, you have to look at the photographs and you have to feel gratitude. Now you know how to use gratitude's magical power to transform your relationships into magical relationships. Although it is not part of the requirement of this book, you may want to take this amazing practice and use it every day if necessary to make every relationship you have magnificent. Okay, so the relationship that you want to make magnificent. So how you have to do? Like you can do it today, but if you want to focus on any other thing, you know, the wheel of life, if you are doing any focused gratitude for any other thing except relationship, so if you want to do, so you do this practice today and other days you can do that particular practice. For today only you do this relationship practice, otherwise you keep doing whatever you were doing earlier. Okay, so wherever you want to put more focus on. So you can use it on the same relationship as many times as you want. The more you can be grateful for the good things in your relationship, the faster every relationship in your life will miraculously change. So if you start being grateful, so for your relationship, so you will change your relationship miraculously. Okay. So what is the practice? Magic practice number 3. So what is the first practice? As usual, so what we have to do, repeat steps 1 to 3 of magic practice number 1. Do you remember magic practice number 1? So we have to count our blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why we are grateful. So we have to give the reason. Reread your list and at the end of each blessing say thank you, thank you, thank you. And feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Right? Choose 3 of your closest relationships. This is for today's practice. So we have already chosen 3 people. So choose 3 of your closest relationships and collect a photograph of each person. So we all have three photographs today. With the photo in front of you, write 5 things you are most grateful for about each person in your journal or on your computer. For each person, we have to write 5 gratitude. Begin each sentence with the magic words thank you. Thank you, then name of the person. For why. Give the reason. Include their name and what you are especially grateful for. Carry the 3 photographs with you today and put them in a place. And see if you can keep it on the table. You can keep it on the table. If you want to paste it on the mirror for today, for at least one day. During your day, whenever you get time, whenever you pass through your mirror, so you can look at the pictures and you just have to show your gratitude. Okay, so that is one day for complete 24 hours. On different 3 occasions, you have to do that during the day. Carry the 3 photographs with you today or put them in a place where you will see them often. Look at the photograph on at least 3 occasions. Speak to the person's face in the photograph and thank them by saying the magic words. Thank you and their name. Thank you, Hele. Right? Before you go to sleep, take your magic rock in one hand and say the magic word. Thank you for the best thing that happened during the day. So count your blessing practice and this magic rock practice we have to do on daily basis so that you know. So if you don't want to write like count your blessing for 10 different random or any focus practice. So for today we have to do relationship gratitude. So today we'll be writing 15 gratitude. Instead of 10, we will write 15 gratitude because we have to write 5 gratitude for one person. So total 15 gratitude. So we have to write. So today we'll be practicing writing gratitude for our loved ones, for our relationships. Okay.
I want to ask you that that rock will we keep with us every
Yeah,
day,
so
every day or
bedside table you can write, you can keep it in
or
the temple.
sometime yes, or sometime like happen if we lost that rock, so what will happen?
Why
Because
you
you
will be
know
losing it? Why will you be losing it? So
whenever
you don't
if
have to take it out. So right now I am keeping it with me, like it is on my study table. Always it is there with me on my study table.
और मैं ना क्या सोच रही हूँ, जैसे अभी हमें उसे ऑब्जर्व करते चलना है, जैसे सोने से पहले हमको उसको एक बार मतलब हमें विश भी करना है हाथ में लिखकर,
Yeah, just one
ब्लेसिंग्स
time,
करना
once in a day, at night.
once in a,
At night. It will take only
मान
1 or 2
लीजिए,
minutes. 1 or 2
हाँ,
minutes it will take.
और हमें उसको ऑब्जर्व भी करना है ना हर दिन जैसे ही हम सोते हैं।
Hmm.
सो मतलब हमने उसको देखना चाहिए, राइट?
Yes, yes. So we
और
have to keep it like this in our palm.
तो मैं क्या सोच रही हूँ, जैसे अब मेरी बेटी छोटी है तो मैं ये ऐसे चीजें रखती नहीं हूँ, ये मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम है, मतलब
Yeah, I can
कभी वो
understand.
लेकर खा ना ले तो मैं उसको ना, मतलब यहाँ पे जो लैपटॉप है यहाँ पे उसका हाथ तो जाता नहीं है, बट मैं सोच रही हूँ कि जहाँ पे मेरा बेड है मैं वहां पे उसको रखूंगी। बट मेरा मतलब मुझे क्वेश्चनिंग ये आता है कि जैसे अगर मैं ट्रैवल कर रही हूँ, कभी मम्मी के प्लेस पे गई हूँ तो तभी मुझे ये कैरी करना है ना साथ में,
Yeah, so
क्योंकि अगर
once
मैं
in a day you
सोऊंगी।
have to do this practice, Akshata.
यस,
Once in a day that you have to do this practice for at least 30 days. 30 days
मतलब
you
ये
have to do.
रॉक के साथ भी हमें 30 एटलीस्ट 30 डेज करना है
या
फॉलो।
30 डेज तो करना ही है। 30 डेज तो करना ही है।
यस, बट मैम फिर उसके बाद भी हमें इसको कैरी करना है, इसे मतलब सेफ रखना है, सो हमें रखना है
No,
तो
see, it's
ऐसी
not
जगह।
mandatory, Akshata, the way like you are telling your daughter is small, like वो कभी मुंह में ना डाले, kind
हाँ,
of.
पता है
Like, so it's
मैंने
not
क्या ट्रिक
mandatory to
निकाली थी,
carry
मैंने एक छोटी
everywhere.
सी डिब्बी ढूंढ कर रखी है, उसमें इसको
Hmm.
मतलब पैक करके फिर बेड के नीचे रखूंगी, क्योंकि बता नहीं
Yeah,
सकते
good
जैसे
idea.
अगर खिलौने पड़े हैं कुछ है,
Hmm.
सो मैं इसको ऐसे छिपा कर रखूंगी, फिर मैं जब वो सो जाएंगी सो मुझे प्रैक्टिस करना है, इसमें वो डिब्बी खोल के फिर इसको हाथ में लेकर, फिर मैं ये सब कुछ सोचते रहती हूँ। मैं सोच रही थी कि मैं
Hmm.
मैम से ही पूछूंगी कि
डोंट थिंक
कैसे
टू
क्या।
मच, अक्षता, दिस इज अ वेरी स्मॉल थिंग। आप उसको कहीं भी किसी ड्रॉर के अंदर जो वो लॉक वाला हो उसमें रखो। वंस इन अ
हाँ,
टाइम, वंस इन अ डे, लाइक एट नाइट ओनली, यू जस्ट हैव टू ओपन इट एंड यू हैव टू डू द प्रैक्टिस एंड देन अगेन कीप इट वेर एवर यू हैव केप्ट इट।
यस,
ओके,
यस,
या,
श्योर, थैंक यू सो
okay,
मच।
let me stop recording and then we will be doing the practice.